In the days following the Great Flood, all of humanity spoke a single language. Their common language brought joy and became a powerful tool for cooperation. They journeyed from the east and settled in the land of Shinar, a vast plain in Mesopotamia. United by their common tongue, the people devised a grand plan. They decided to build a city with a tower so tall it would reach the heavens. Their aim was to make a name for themselves and prevent their dispersion across the earth. Work on the tower commenced. Instead of stone, they used bricks, and for mortar, they used tar. The construction site buzzed with activity as the tower slowly rose toward the sky. The Lord came down to see the city and the tower the people were building. He observed their unity and ambition, noting how this was just the beginning of what they might achieve. God recognized that with a single language and a common purpose, humanity's potential for both good and evil was limitless. He saw that nothing they proposed would be out of their reach. To curb their pride and ambition, the Lord decided to confuse their language. By doing so, he would ensure they could not understand each other and would be forced to abandon their project. In an instant, the air was filled with a cacophony of unfamiliar sounds. Workers found themselves unable to communicate with their neighbors. Confusion and chaos spread throughout the construction site. Unable to understand one another, the people had no choice but to abandon their grand project. Groups formed based on shared languages, and these groups began to scatter across the face of the earth. The once bustling construction site fell silent. The unfinished tower stood as a monument to human pride and divine intervention. The city was named Babel, meaning confusion, because it was there that the Lord confused the language of the whole world. From this event came the diversity of languages and cultures we see today. The story of Babel serves as a reminder of the power of human unity, the dangers of unchecked ambition, and the ultimate authority of God over human affairs.